Ma'am Jocelyn Juarez Sarmiento, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed teachers, dear parents, and my fellow graduates. Today is a day of celebration, reflection, and anticipation as we gather to mark the culmination of our incredible journey. Standing before you, I am filled with a range of emotions, pride, gratitude, and a touch of nostalgia as we step forward into the next chapter of our lives. I want to take a moment to reflect on the journey that has brought us here. A journey marked by sacrifices, hardships, joys, and pains. A lot of memories made. So, hayaan niyo po muna akong ang pinin ng entabladong ito para bigyan ko po ng karangalang oras ang mga taong naging kasama ko sa lakbay patungo sa araw na ito. First, I want to thank my parents, Mom, Dad, para sa inyo po ito. Thank you for always taking care of me, for supporting me in every step of the way. Since day one, palagi kayong andyan para sa akin. Never ninyo akong pinabayaan. I am very thankful to God for He has given me parents like you. With honors man o wala, manalo man sa contest o hindi, nakikita ko proud pa rin kayo sa akin. To my dad, who works really hard sa paghatid at pagsundo sa akin, simula po ng kinder ako hanggang grade 2. To my mom, who's always there for me. Gumigising pa ng maaga para ma-plancha ang uniform ko. I promise to study harder at nangangako po ako na palagi ko pong kasama ang mga paalala niyo sa akin. I love you both.
Love you.
Did you know that I began my journey here in Baez as a 4th grader? A time when everything seemed new and overwhelming. There were moments of doubt and uncertainty, but with each challenge, I learned to persevere and grow. The sacrifices I made were not just in the form of late-night study sessions or missed social events. The hardships I faced were tough, but they taught me resilience and the importance of never giving up. I learned that every setback was a setup for a comeback, and every disappointment was an opportunity to learn and improve. Throughout these years, I have been blessed with wonderful memories of my teachers from grade 4 to grade 6. Each year played a pivotal role in shaping who I am today. You believed in me when I doubted myself, encouraged me to reach higher, and guided me with wisdom and patience. To my kinder to grade 3 teachers at Masanton Elementary School, salamat po sa pagtuturo sa akin ng buong puso. To my teacher in grade 4, Tita Madam Weng, you who taught me how to read, guided me in my lessons, especially in mathematics. You were my first coach in poetry. Kahit hindi face-to-face in grade 4, super dami ko pong natutunan sa inyo. Salamat din po sa pag-aantabay sa akin sa school, sa suporta na ibinibigay ninyo sa akin. Namimiss po kitang kasabay pumasok at umuwi at mag-lunch. Thank you so much po. To the best teacher and best coach, Ma'am Tere. That one whole school year with you has taught me a lot of things. I had so much fun in your class. I want to thank you po kasi never niyo po akong pinabayaan sa klase man po ito o sa contest. You always believe in me. Super laki po ng tiwala niyo sa akin, lalo na po ng division level. You made sure na kumain ako or kung okay lang ako. She used to check on me. Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, hindi po ako makakarating sa division contest. Marami po akong natutunan sa inyo, sa klase man ito, o sa Festival of Talents, o sa journalism man yan. She is the best coach indeed. Thank you so much po, Ma'am Tere. Mamimiss po kita. I love you po. And to my teacher in grade 6, Ma'am Cor, kahit hindi buong taon tag. Still, we had fun in your class. Si Ma'am Cory po ang teacher na pwede namin kausapin kapag may problema. Thank you po, Ma'am, sa lahat ng advices niyo. Thank you also for always supporting me. Stay safe po kayo lagi ni Baby Aliana. To all vice teachers, to our school principal, Ma'am G, thank you rin po sa support and trust sa akin. Special mention sa teacher in charge namin sa Daisy Patrol, Ma'am Darin. Teacher na nag-guide sa amin sa GSP Pagiging Cadet, Ma'am Chris. My SCLG advisor, Ma'am Ami. Naging coach ko rin sa essay writing, Ma'am Mary Joy. Kay Ma'am Beth at Ma'am G na laging nakasuporta sa akin sa contest. Sa mga nag-handle sa amin, simula nung nag-leave si Ma'am Cory, kay Ma'am April Joy, Ma'am Michelle, at Sir Mark. And to all the rest of the teachers, thank you po sa inyo lahat. And of course, my journey would not be fun and enjoyable without my classmates. Thank you for the memories. Salamat sa inyo sa pagdagdag ng kulay sa buhay mag-aaral ko dito sa BAS. Bago lang ako dito, pero hindi ko naramdaman na bago ako dahil pinaramdam ninyo sa akin na ako ay inyong kaibigan. Pasensya na kayo kung may pagkakataon na nagkakagalit tayo. Siguro ang mga ito ang nagpatibay sa ating pagkakaibigan. And to my best friend, Lindsay, I want to thank you for staying with me until the end. We've been through a lot at kinaya natin. I appreciate you teaching me the true meaning of friendship. Alam ko minsan nagkakatampuan tayo dahil sa misunderstanding. But look at us now. We are still friends. You've been with me for 1 year, 6 months, and 5 days now. I am very thankful that God gave me a friend like you. Thank you for always supporting me, helping me solve my problems, giving me advices, and for listening to my rants. Good luck to us for our coming journey. I will always be here for you. And to the rest of my friends, thank you so much and good luck to us. You made every day at school a joy. Your laughter, camaraderie, and friendship turned even the toughest days into memorable experiences. Together, we shared countless moments of joy, from acing a difficult test to celebrating birthdays and school events. These memories will forever be etched in my heart, reminding me of the beautiful journey we shared. And lastly, but never the last in my heart, thank you, Papa Jesus, sa pagbibigay sa akin ng lakas ng loob, kagalingan, at sa palaging paggabay sa akin. Salamat din po sa talents na ibinigay niya sa akin. And nagamit ko po lahat yun to represent my school. Alam niyo naman po kung gaano ako ka-proud to represent BAS. It has been an honor for me to represent my school with God's guidance and graces. As we stand on the threshold of new beginnings, let us carry forward the lessons